What's up, YouTube? My name's Chuck. I've been recently doing a lot of lock picking. Still very new at it. I went out and bought where is it? This lock for my house. I woke up in the middle of the night last night and my door was wide open. I know I locked it. Anyway, this says it is, oh, let me turn that around. Stainless steel anti-drill pin. Pick and bump resistant spool pins. So, I figure it's gotta be pretty good, right? Let's see, I'll show you. Does work. Anyway, let's see how hard it is to pick for a beginner. These are worm rake from Sparrow, snake rake from Sparrow. It's just a generic tension wrench. And I bought this from eBay. A little electric lockpick. I paid about $80 for it because it was still new when I purchased it. Let's see how pick resistant it is. There it goes, done. Oh, I locked it. So, it is pretty easy. So much for pick resistant spool pins. I also went out and purchased master lock. They say master locks are pretty easy, which I find out that they are pretty easy. This is the worm rake. Ooh, we got a false set. And unlocked. Now I'm just recording this off my phone. I don't have all the fancy equipment. I would like to, but I can't afford it yet. So maybe as this goes on, maybe I'll get some subscribers. I'd like to get a whole new setup, but that's in due time. Anyway, it's just a quick video. As I get more locks, I'll post some more videos. Any comments? I know the lighting sucks right now. This was literally a 30-second thing. Anyway, eventually I'd like somebody to send me some locks. Being that I'm new, maybe it'll help one of you out there to get into it. Any questions, comments, feel free to leave them. Again, my name's Chuck. Hope to see you guys again real soon.